What's up, guys? Happy Bird Hollow here. Ain't that pretty, y'all? That is horsemint, also known as a wild oregano, bee balm, also known as scientifically as Monarda punctata. It has the flowers are white, creamy white to lavender. Then it has these pretty looking yellow flowers with spots on them. You see them? They curl down, you know, around the bottom. It's like they have a blossom here, yellow flowers with spots right there, and then another blossom on top, and they just kind of keep growing like that, and they make a head. And you can see how they all look kind of the same, and they're loaded with medicine. The horsepower of horsemint. Yep. There's Brandy. She's thinking I'm gonna muster up a lizard for her, probably. Anyways, y'all, this is some good medicine right here. And when I first started my herb garden, there was something about this plant I just knew I needed to get it. I don't know why. Honey Bunny, she wanted me to get, or she wanted the Monarda fistulosa. I'll take and show you that too, but it's not blooming right now. It's already bloomed. And Monarda fistulosa has pretty much the same properties as the Monarda punctata. It might have a few more different properties, but they're all bee balm family. But if you can see, my bee balm has bloomed everywhere. I'm gonna be gathering up some of these flowers and the leaves. You can see the leaves. The leaves are kind of narrow shaped, almost like remind me of goldenrod. But the flowers have got medicine. The leaves have got medicine. And no, there's no lizard on there, Brandy. So, always looking for a lizard. And here you can see this one has really opened up. And it's got 2 rows of yellow flowers. And they're fixing to start drying up and producing seeds. Well, what are you doing? There's no lizard. But you can see the little inside here, like a honeycomb shape, and the seeds forming there where these yellow petals are at. And this, okay guys, so here I was going to show y'all a picture of the Monarda fistulosa, and you can see the difference between the leaves. These leaves are more spear shaped, and they grow opposite of each other, which means, you know, you got a leaf here and a leaf opposite, and then a set on the bottom that's a leaf here and then a leaf opposite, kind of stacked like that. And all this is Monarda fistulosa in here, and it's already bloomed. It bloomed earlier. I didn't get many flowers off of it this year, but I'll put a picture of the flowers I did get on it. But the leaves on this and the leaves on the Monarda punctata, which is right here, this is one little flower here with I got growing over here by it. You can see the difference in the leaves. The leaves are longer and more lance shape compared to the Pistilosa. So, but you can see the flowers, and the leaves on the Pistilosa are broader and more full. The plant's more fuller looking. It's probably a prettier looking leaf and flower maybe, but this is more of a wild. Punctata is more of a wild plant. You'll find probably more quicker where I'm at. The stem on the punctata is more showing on it than on the Pistilosa. As you can see, the Pistilosa's got leaves are more closer together and makes the plant look more fuller looking, and the punctata is more stemmy, like kind of like a goldenrod plant once it's filled out. This flower here is already broke off. I'm gonna probably get it, and I'll put that in some tea, some detox tea, lymph tea, immune support tea. But yeah, when I was getting this, this Monarda punctata, I just knew there was something about this plant, and I'm glad I did get it, because it's like I said, if you don't have oregano oil to use in the mornings for your lymph glands and support, or for your antimicrobial daily, this right here would do you just as good, because it has the same components as oregano oil. It has the thiamol in it and carvacrol oils in it. It's an antimicrobial, antiseptic. It's a powerful antibacterial and antifungal, antiviral plant, and it's got a real good amount of medicinal properties to put a dent in whatever symptom you have as far as respiratory and immune support. But yeah, I really got it because of its properties to help fight with colds and infections in your lungs and respiratory, bronchitis, congestion, and stuff like that. Because my wife, she suffers from COPD, emphysema, real bad allergies, and yeah, so my herb garden is mainly based on respiratory medicines, and a lot of anti-inflammatory medicines, you know, because of joint pain and swelling and stuff like that in the lungs and in the joints. But yeah, that's the Pistilosa. And very good medicine, y'all. Horsemint. I got some more over here. Wild horsemint, also known as Monarda punctata. Bee balm. Good stuff. Medicine, y'all. We'll be talking about this. It's blooming right now. A lot of stuff blooming out there. Getting into that harvest season. Monarda punctata. Horsemint, also known as bee balm. Alright, so guys, there's the bees love horsemint, y'all. The hummingbirds, the bees, they love it. And what I was going to say about the horsemint was the Native Americans would gather this stuff up and they would use it to make incense in their teepees and hang it up. It's real aromatic, and it has a smell like, well, they call it wild oregano for a reason, because it does have an oregano kind of a smell to it. But it also has a minty smell because it's part of the mint family. And I like it. Some people don't like it. It's real strong and astringent smelling. You can use it for a disinfectant too. Probably would use it to clean stuff, you know. It's a really wonderful plant. And all about the herbs around here. Makes a good tea for sure. Hot tea for colds, flus, bronchitis, sore throats. With it being in the mint family, it's good for your digestive system. It's good for your gut, you know, gut health, bloating, gas, whatever. But yeah, guys, ancient medicine right here at our fingertips. And it's pretty common down south where I'm at. So go out there and get y'all some bee balm, y'all. Make you up some tincture, some medicine. And it's fixing to get cold, and it's blooming right now. Blooming out here where I'm at. And I'm gonna get me a bunch of it.